welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of harmony coin. What's the price change goes in a harmony coin? What's the current price? What's the price change occur in harmony? And what is the high low price of the harmony coin? In this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe IBS Tech channel and also like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, please. As you can see here, the change occur in the harmony coin in the last one day. The price predictions that you're watching now of the harmony coin of the last one day. As you can see here, if you look at the graph, so the graph continuously falls down from the last one day. As you can see here, continuously gradually falls down. If we look the average change occur in harmony coin in the last one day, so the change is negative 0.96%, and the high price of harmony coin is $0.162907 USD dollar is the high price of the harmony coin of the last one day, friends. Now let's check it out, the last 4 hour price predictions. What's the price change goes in the harmony coin in the last 4 hour, friends? Absolutely, they are taking a jump in the last 4 hour. As you can see, a high jump occur in the harmony coin in the last 4 hour, friends. And now at this time currently they are again falls down, but the change is in positive 1.13% change and positive, and the high prices also goes up because they take a jump. Dollar 0.150674 USD dollar is the high price of the harmony coin in the last 4 hour, friends. Now let's see the current status of the harmony coin in the crypto market. What's the current condition of harmony coin? As you can see here, harmony coin, the change as a negative 0.27%, and the high price is dollar 0.147823 USD dollar is the high price of harmony coin in the last 1 hour, friends. Now the current price of the harmony coin is dollar 0.147097 USD dollar. So friends, according to the price predictions of the last 1 hour, last 2 hour, and last one day, they are whole and falls down. The change is in negative in the last one day. That is why my suggestion for all of you that please hold your harmony coin with the last of this month, because you are also in the loss. So please hold it. Maybe it goes upward in the future, so please hold it. That's my suggestion. I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in this coin, so please do your own research. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe IBS Tech channel and share your opinion about harmony coin in the comment box. Thank you so much.